It's about time spring arrived, huh? Temperatures starting to trend upwards, which is a long time coming for many of us.
I know, and even though we're going upwards into the 60s, we're still technically going to be below average. Average highs are right around 65. We'll be in the lower 60s for many of the days upcoming this week, so we'll go talk about that. Right now it is pretty quiet. At least the sun is out, so there is some good news out there. While it's below average, we're dealing with some dry weather. For the time being, things are going to change as we turn the page from about Wednesday all the way into next weekend. 56 winds, a little breezy out of the northeast at 16 miles per hour. Sunset this evening is at 8:10 p.m. Across the rest of the area, coolest by the lakeshore, that wind out of the northeast bringing all that cool water from Lake Michigan on shore. But farther inland, we still got temperatures in the lower 60s. Wapaka right now at 63 degrees as it is 62 in Shawano. Winds coming in 10 to 20 miles per hour out of the north and northeast. Winds will eventually change out of the south tomorrow, and that is going to bring us a brief warm-up. You see temperatures in the mid and upper 60s off towards our west. That's the mild temperatures heading in our way, but for right now today, it's been a bit on the cool side. Even Chicago, only 52 for a high temperature today. St. Louis, not even reaching 60 degrees. So quite cool air mass across most of the Midwest. Part of the reason why we have two large areas of low pressures bringing in some rainfall for parts of the southern Midwest, Great Lakes, and the Ohio River Valley. We're just kind of dodging all of these storm systems here. A closer look over Wisconsin shows us seeing mostly clear skies over the eastern part of the state. Off towards the west, a little bit of some light rain showers down to the south once again. Pretty much a carbon copy to what we saw for yesterday, but at least today the only change is that we have more sunshine, and that kind of helps things out with temperatures being on the cool side. For the rest of tonight, we'll drop down into the 30s once again. Probably a good idea if you have any potted plants to bring them inside if they're more susceptible to the cool temperatures. Could have some patchy frost once again. Then for tomorrow, we warm up into the upper 50s and lower 60s. The coolest temperatures will be by the lakeshore because of a light wind out of the north and northeast, eventually changing, however, out of the south by the overnight. And that's when our temperatures warm up into the upper 60s and lower 70s on Tuesday. It will be a mild day. However, a cold front will come through the area and cool us off just a little bit as we turn the page towards Wednesday through Friday. Also, a little heads up, the latest river flood warnings in effect. The Menominee River has been canceled, so we just have the Wolf River for the Shiocton area. Looks like it will remain in effect until probably Thursday or Friday at the earliest. Going ahead into next week, we have at least a couple showers moving through the area Wednesday into Thursday, and then a much larger system perhaps poised to move into the area as we go towards the weekend, Saturday and Sunday. That could bring in quite a bit of rainfall. We'll have to monitor that as we get closer in time. This is the latest forecast from the European model showing over an inch of rainfall. So it seems that round of rain will continue into this wet spring. For tonight, we cool down to 36, light winds out of the north and northwest at 5 miles per hour. We get up to 61 tomorrow with lots of sunshine, and then upper 60s on Tuesday, and then a chance of rainfall. A few light rain showers perhaps on Wednesday, same thing on Thursday, but then more stated rains coming in Friday through the weekend, Matt. And even a rumble of thunder can't be out of the question for the weekend. So today, this weekend was dry. Next weekend, complete opposite.
We just can't quite break through and get to summer yet. I mean, it's still early, but
there's a state called Florida. I heard it's pretty nice down there.
we should check that out.
Yeah.
All right, thanks.